Here we are in Port Douglas, perfect morning aboard Dreamtime. We've got 4 days here in Port Douglas. We're off to the rainforest. We're going to get a helicopter up to the Outback. Amongst that, we're going to also visit Botanical Ark. So it's going to be an incredible 4 days. How good does that look? Right. So these pieces are more like we're doing them because people watch them and go, hey, I want to do that. Then of course they come to us and we do it. Well, it's been an epic morning here in Port Douglas. We're out before 7 to catch the sunrise. We've got this beauty Dreamtime out on the water. Jack had the drones up, magnificent shots, and can't wait to see the footage. But stunning morning, that's for sure.
And where are we going next now, Drew?
So after this, we're going to go out to the airfield, pick up a helicopter and fly up to Mount Mulligan in the outback of Queensland.
Jack, how are you, Jack?
Well, we've just been out to Mount Mulligan with Matt, our pilot, who did a great job flying us out there. Fantastic to see what's going on out there. I can see that Paul and the team are going to do an incredible job. And we're going to have an amazing new lodge to bring to you very soon. We're in the Daintree Rainforest here. Look, does nature get any better than this? This is the Cooper Creek. It runs out to the Coral Sea in the heart of the Daintree Rainforest. Some of these fan palms are over 300 years old and they're endemic to this region, so you're not going to find them in other parts of the world, just here.
In my language, I want to welcome you. So yuri yali garing ngajin and the bobongo, junyi nyajalajil ngajin in jali. So what I said in language here, I welcome you lovely people here to this beautiful rainforest. And when you leave from here, you go with good spirit.
The initiation of young men into certain tribes. This was the tool, which is a shell, of course, and it was used to cut across and initiate the men.
That was incredible. Cheers, thanks. Well, mate, that was amazing. What did you think? So now we're going to go in and see the lady Kate that runs bungee helicopters. So we're going to have a chat and see how we can work more with them. It's going to be amazing. We're here today with Alan Carl from the Botanical Ark, which is the largest collection of ethnobotanical rainforest plants in the world. And tell us a little bit, Alan, about the Botanical Ark.
Yeah, the Botanical Ark is a private ethnobotanical garden specializing in plants which are useful to people from rainforests all around the world.
And how many rainforests have you visited to make this collection possible?
Well, more than 100 trips to 40 different rainforest countries, and some of those countries a few different rainforests, so quite a few places.
Well over 100.
Yeah.
So tell me, Alan, what drove the passion to come here to North Queensland to create it?
We wanted to feed our family. We wanted to set up a healthy lifestyle.
And tell us some of the awards that you have won since you've been operating Botanical Ark.
Well, we've won Gourmet Traveller Jaguar Award for innovations in tourism. We've won Australia's Best Backyard on one of the major television channels, and we've won an inaugural Slow Food Award for our work with rainforest foods from around the world.
And why is that Slow Food Award so special to you?
Well, because it's international. There were 1,200 nominations of people working with food around the world, and I think they recognized that our work was not just from one particular area, but was actually really widespread and involved conservation of food, which was very important for slow food.
And so that's a global award. So you're saying to me that you won the best in the world for that category.
Yeah.
Amazing,
so.
incredible.
Yeah.
Do you feel proud of that?
Of course.
Fantastic,
Of course.
fantastic. And you do a lot of work around conservation as well, don't you?
Well, rainforest conservation is the motivator that keeps us going here, because we're losing about a football field of rainforest every 2 seconds around the world. So it's very, very important.
Yeah, it's amazing work you've done.